What's up, everybody? It's Jeremy from Weldtec Designs. I have a killer RV to show you guys today. This thing is awesome, a ton of stuff done to it. And of course, you probably don't want to be looking at me, so I'm gonna flip this camera around and show you all the cool things that we did to it. Well, there it is, guys. This is a cool 23-foot Sunseeker. This thing is awesome. And, you know, we did a lot of things to it, making this very unique and bitchin', I'm going to say. I would love to hear what is your favorite thing about this motorhome right here. I think that there's a lot going on. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button if you're interested in putting a lift or suspension or accessories on your RV. Have questions about it, leave a comment down below, or send us an email. We would love to talk to you about what you would like to do. Otherwise, guys, my name is Jeremy. This is Weldtec Designs, and I will see you guys in the next video.